Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about something called Doc AI website file. We know definitely we can create AI text colors websites, and AI translation. And if you want to convert your doc files or your PDF into text, you can drop it here. If you want to convert it into a website, you can drop it here. And if you want to translate your doc files or your PDF files, you can translate it here. And we have what is called the human intelligence, that's the double thread interactions. And then we have what is called the record button, the rewind, the stop, the play, the record, and the fast forward. This takes it helps you in taking your files to the past and to the future. For example, through eye perception, you'll be able to know some files, some lost things in your files. For example, if you keep a file here and you press rewind, you'll be able to know if some things got lost through while you were typing or doing some things with the files. And you'll be able to tell who wrote the file and where the file was gotten from the computer. You know so many facts about the computer and know so many things if it is actually authenticated by the double thread. You know if it went through the iChat pool, if it was authenticated, and if it was a website formally, it was used in a website formally. All these functions are really beautiful. And we have the modular tab. Definitely with the modular tab you can transfer into those content and see those content in real life. You can chat with those content, who wrote the content, and you'll be able to tell what computer and the people that are around this, and you'll be able to tell if it's a fraudulent thing, if the website is fraudulent, or the text you're keeping into it was given to you by a fraudulent person, or the file is a fraudulent file. I know we have iWebsite here, so you can convert your word. You can type your word in here and click this, and it will take it straight to your digital wheelline. Instant image streaming, edit to edit, get to your iCloud hosting, and you can publish in Google. And this is streaming AI social network. You can stream there and publish there. And then you can create doc AI file here. You can create doc AI website file here. When you create them here, anytime you click them, it will tell you, do you want to publish this file? You say yes. It will tell you where. You type Google, it will give you this, what they call search, the search or request tab. Definitely, and you type where you want to publish it in Google, and you type all that you want to publish in Google here, and it will instruct you to pay through IP AI to Google, and then I'll get some commission. Beautiful that I'm getting some commission. Google, I know you love this. You have iText AI, iColor AI, iTunes AI, iMusic AI, iDVD AI. Here you can use iText here. Keep it, type here, type and drop here, or you can click this and type here and then publish. iColor, you can change the colors. There's a color too. When you click this, you have a color too. You have writing tools here. You have music. When you click music will appear. You can add music to your website, or add music to your text or to your PDF, and you can translate your music. And you have iDVD, so you can make your PDF a DVD file. or your audio, or your videos, or anything you've written here, a PDF, a DVD file. You can change it through animation to a video. After changing it to a video, it will have a subtitle, because through this doc website AR file and the request tab, you can create animation, you can create video out of that text, and after creating the video out of that text, you just have to click submit to Google, and it will submit to Google, and the site will be created through paying to IP AI. And then we have video AI, we have social network AI. Social network, you can publish in Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and also you can produce in Instagram, and all these social networks that you can publish your text, your website, and you can translate them. And also you have radio AI. Radio AI is after making your website and your text and your AI, you can do something like your radio. It will appear here and it will be playing as your radio, and you can publish that radio in Google as a news to people. But you have to pay Google for the advert through IP. So if you have something you want to give out as an advert, you come here and type it in here. As you type it in here, you click website, you click text first, website, and you translate, and then you publish here through Google, and it will create that radio or that television, and people can watch what you want to say, like your news. But it should go through authentication. You see, authentication, if it's right, if it's a fraudulent means, it will be stopped, it will be proved. But if it is right, it will be published, and you have to pay and watch it. You have to pay for advert to Google and pay through me too. So you have to do this. And then we have what they call live AI. You can broadcast live. And then with this, you can change everything here into a software called Create Talk AI website file. When you click that file, the file will start. Once you click that file, you can create that. If you bring a Word file, like in Word, we are going to keep this kind. There's a way we will do this. Carry this file and drop in Word. It will work as a plugin. Carry this file and drop in ALIYO Word. It will work as a plugin. Carry this file and this program as it is, like the photo. Just carry it and drop on ALIYO Word. It will turn to a plugin. With that, you'll be able to do so many things. You'll be able to create a Talk AI website through. Because once you drop it there, anything you type in there, when you click this button again, you create a file called Doc AI website file. And Doc AI website file, if you don't want to go through this long process, you can work in Google. I believe Google should have a Google Doc too. You can work in Google Doc edit site, and you can work in Word, Microsoft Word. You can work in Apple Word, and also you can work in other words too, and then create a Doc AI website file. And once you click it, you can publish in Google, because Google is the only way we can publish. It's an arm, and we have to publish through that. You have to pay through IP and publish, and it's beautiful. And one thing I have to talk about, definitely, we have something here. What you have to do here, your streaming, your live AI, ALIYO Word, color, PDF, ALIYO Word, all this. Once you click all this, it will render into that function. Beautiful, and you can stream. You can stream from the software. Once you type, you can just click streaming and click live. It will be streaming through the website. through a website that you've created, through a domain, an iCloud hosting domain, and a domain you've created through Google, and people can watch this live. And you can send it to them through publishing, because publishing have a diary and a ringtone. So you can use ALIYO MOMOT ringtone, and once you use ALIYO MOMOT ringtone, you can send that ringtone to them at a certain time, and at that certain time, once they click this doc file that you send to them, that link will be created to this website you have, and then you can broadcast live. It's beautiful. Anyway, let's call it today. Good night. So rest and have peace and sleep well. This is done by ALIYO MOMOT, Professor Dr. ALIYO MOMOT, and it's not by Hello. This is done by ALIYO